Yung practice sana pala, Imaw. Wala. Kabugaw.
Good evening, everyone.
Wow, hello, Imaw.
Very good.
Ay, gapagapang.
What is it?
Pati.
Ari mo ba si mama?
Wala. Basi ka na maubos. Ano siya, Gwapa-gwapa na pala ay.
Wala ko ibig sa imo.
Wala.
Congratulations to the newlyweds, Isa and Anton. I never imagined I would be here today.
Never imagine
Witnessing
na.
my dearest Isa's wedding. Years ago,
Oh, about years ago, giday. Ala, MMK, manigali, oy. Uy, years ago, ay. Why pa na? Ay, may gaibi. Di ay, sagihan nyo kita. Ay. May mabasa na lang ano. Nalang iloy pala ay. Sa years ago na ta. Ambi ko sa ulo na. Ay, hindi. Kaya sa... Ambi ko match tatlo lang ni ka paragapi gali. Tatlo ni gali ka man paper.
years ago,
Nakakagid.
during one of our chats, I joked about her marrying a blue-eyed guy to a British gentleman.
No,
Do you
British. Ay,
remember that? Someday. But it seems God heard me and sent Anton.
wow.
Having Isa in our family has been invaluable. No amount of money could repay the sacrifices she has made for us. All out of love.
Ay.
Over the past eight years,
Nata sa over the past 8 years. Ba sila malaba na.
over the past 8 years, I've come to know her well. She has been there through my struggles and joys.
Iya.
My son used to call me Maui,
Mau.
and she would call me Mao. Mao. I was strict, especially when she wanted to go out with friends.
Correct.
She often felt bad about my rules, especially regarding boyfriends. But I hope she understood my reasons. I promised her mother that I would take good care of her, and I didn't want to break that trust.
Iya. Sana.
As a mother, my protective instincts were strong, always ensuring her safety. Now that she has Anton, you listen.
Yeah.
I
Bagid.
don't need your promises, dear.
Dalong-dalong ba?
To bless you with good health
Iya.
and dedication to your wife, making her happy and showering her with your deep love, just as God does for us. Aiza, mate, respect Anton and give him what he deserves.
Hi.
Hindi ka malipat, ha?
5 ka, no?
He is your blessing, and you should be grateful for that.
Lapit na lang.
May your love for each other be your strength as you face life together as husband and wife. May God bless you both and may you grow in faith together. Thank you, Anton,
Kaya ako na ni Gurugin.
and welcome to the family.
Woo! Yay! Yay! O, diba? Mother Louie Louie.
Thank you very